back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscription button below and put on your bell notifications for when I'll be uploading other videos. And I'm gonna leave the other videos I have been doing in my description box so you can just check them out. Whew. And today, as the caption, description, title, whatever it says, I'm gonna be unboxing Ego shoes I got from Ego, and some bags. They're not that much, so I'm not gonna waste much of your time. I'm just gonna unbox it together and I'm gonna style them. Like I think I'm gonna try to use one outfit to style everything. It's gonna be a challenge, but I have to find the perfect fit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna unbox it with you today and we're gonna try them on. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we have like about I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and some other stuff here. So just gonna be unboxing all with you. So I used, well, there's only one mail that it comes through to Ghana. I don't know why, but there was no DHL, there was no FedEx, but it came through Royal Mail, which directly goes into your PO box if you have one. If you don't even have one, you can still do it and just pick up your stuff. So I didn't add my mail to it because I didn't see the option over there. But, well, no, I didn't see the option. I was pretty lazy when I was ordering at that time. But it came straight to my area, like where I live, and I just went for it. And I honestly thought some of the stuff were gonna get missing, but surprisingly, nothing was missing. Everything was intact. It came on time. Well, it took 14 to 15 days to get here. I wanted them before my birthday, but obviously I ordered late, and it came a day after my birthday. So yeah, so it came here on the 29th, and it took like 14 to 15 days, practically what they said. And I'm gonna unbox them with you. They were all in sealed bags. I think like this, all sealed, nothing open. I took them off because I had to check if I took them out because I had to check if my stuff was intact. So this is how they came, just like this. There you go. And we're gonna unbox each and every one of these right now. So here, give me space. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the top. The top. Number one is Ellery slippers, I think so. I got one slipper for myself. Ooh, smell of new shoes. So this is how it comes. If y'all can see, slippers. So just this way, nothing special, just normal slippers. Okay, let's move to number 2. I ordered it because I like this whole twist. I think it's a twist. Is it? Yeah, it is a twist. I needed slippers because I barely have any. The other 2 slippers I have, I don't know where they are. So I got slippers for myself, and let's move to box number 2. I'm not gonna waste time, it's not a lot. Oh, I got a customized nose mask for myself. Well, it's not customized, it was on their page. It's like some tie and dye nose mask. I thought it was pretty cool, so I just got it. Oh god, it smells so new. I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah, I really don't like new things. Okay, I take that back. I do like new things, but I can't get it close to my nose because I'm gonna sneeze. Unless I wash them. And I got these pair of rings. These are the stuff that I thought were missing, but I opened the other box and I saw them and I'm like, oopsies. So yeah. Number 2. Here they are. Night Silver Hollow. Bruh. Yeah. So god. And these. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I don't even know how many inches we were. This 1, 2, 3, probably 4 inches to 4.5 inches. So pretty, like, and they're strappy. So let's move on to the next box. Ow. These are Kendall black. Yeah. Open it, open it, open. Voila. So why does this one have a thingy around it and the rest don't? Why? What's so special? What's so special about you? Open toe, one strap design. I'm so excited, like, and it's the same thing for the left inside. So like that. Moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. Trophy wife. This shoes is trophy wife. I'm sure I really like this one because trophy. Oh, sorry. Here. Oh yeah, these shoes. I saw them. I was like, oh, I'm gonna cop these. Like, they're red. I think these shoes come in this bag, but the rest they don't really give about it. So. So this is how they are, strappy as well. I really love strap heels, like, I don't know why, but I do. Whew. This is a bad beat, okay. This is gonna look so fire when I try, oh my god. You don't know what is coming. I'm gonna style all of these with one outfit. God help me. So, I think this is the last one of the shoes. I didn't open this one. Well, yeah, I did open it, but not yet. So, let's take it off. So, these are Priya white heels. Priya. Same beautiful, colorful box. This is a snake print box. Odd, but nice. Doesn't matter what somebody says. I was trying to read something on it, but doesn't matter. Oh, here it is. I was kind of looking for the like the list of my stuff, so it's all in here. Yeah, and these are the return. This, ouch. This is a return slip. Yeah, so in case you wear something and you don't want, it doesn't fit, you can just return it. This is not a return label. What do you mean this is not a return label? So which one is? So my bad. I thought it was a return label, but it isn't, because it clearly says here that it isn't. So how am I supposed to return the shoes in case they don't fit? The last shoes. Go, 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 go. Go official. I think I should make a commercial for them. They're gonna pay me for it. Anyways, last shoes. I saw this shoe with the satin white fit. I pictured in my mind. I'm like, oh, this is gonna look so good on me. Like, I know I've thrown some types. They look the same, but not the same. Not the same. But maybe this one will look similar to some other one. But this has like a shorter inch, like probably like 2.5 inch or something. So yeah, ready in the night. I'm gonna try all of them on right now and let you know Oh, so they gave me extra. I don't know what these are, like the bottom part of the shoe. So in case they go off or out, you can just replace them. How cool is that? Pretty cool. Now let's see the bag. I got 2 bags from them as well. You gave me a return address, but you didn't give me a slip for me to return it with. I'll still look for it though. So this is big one. I know the black one is called Mika, but the other one I don't remember. So 2 bags from Eagle. I'm just gonna open them right now. Okay. Leather. Hard. Nice. I don't know what this is supposed to do, but okay. A bag in a bag. This is not what I ordered. Oh, my bad. This is what I ordered. Yeah, I think this pouch goes 100 somewhere here. I should think so. Wow. This is gonna be... Okay, let me try. Yeah, so this way. So let's put some cushion in there just to make it look fluffy. And this is the strap for the bag. I think I'm gonna go with a strap. I'm just gonna ditch this pouch. I think you can hang both on them, but I don't remember how exactly, so I'm gonna check how to do that and I'll let you know. I think it's this way, like on the side is together like this and the strap goes around some way somehow, but I'll figure it out. I'll put the picture so you can see it. Yeah. And the last one, we're gonna open from. All right. Da, 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 da. Oh man, like, isn't it pretty? I don't have a red bag, so this has to be the first red bag that I have. Let's see how you open this. Bruh. This is my problem. I really don't know how to open bags or purses. So my mom always helps me out. I think this is gonna take a while to open. Yo.
A few moments later.
I figured it out. So you close this way and you move this knob down to open. So gotcha. Locked. Open. Chic. Okay. So it has this one strap inside, and I honestly didn't expect it to be plastic. I thought it was leather. That's true. But it's plastic. What I use a plastic bag for? But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna keep this here right now. And I'm gonna try the shoes on with a fit. Let's do this. Then again, Simisa outdid themselves again with the top, a backless top, and the pants are from Revice denim. I'm gonna do a mini try on haul from Revice denim. So half pockets in the front and no pockets at the back, just like a star thingy behind. Finally put the bag together, and this is how it looks.
You win.
Choose your fighter.
LAKEY inspired.
Fight.
Okay, as promised, I tried to style all of them with one outfit, and it was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be difficult, but I picked perfect outfits and it worked out. And let me know which one you like in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share, subscribe to my channel. If you're still watching me, you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. Until there's one tiny problem I faced with the Priya heels. That's the white one. Those were the only white heels I had. I think the metallic thing around the strap, like at the end of the strap, one came off. So ego shoes, you have to check that out. So you have to be super careful when you're tying them, because one came out and I was wondering if the rest were gonna come out. So check that. And I think it's fixable, but why would I buy new shoes only for some parts to just start falling off? Exactly. So that's the only problem, but I love everything. I think that's why they didn't send me a return slip, because everything is perfect and I really loved every single shoe. Like, they're so easy to walk in. That's number one factor. They are so easy to walk in. I thought it was going to be really painful because of the height, but they were so easy to walk in and to move around in, and I love everything. So till my next video, guys, stay safe and stay healthy as always. Love you guys so much.